Morning break, the sky so clear. Zion voice me always hear. Call the children, call them home. No more need fi walk alone. River flow from mountain high. Carry love beneath the sky. Every bird and tree belong. Part of Jah eternal song. Zion eternal, forever strong. One love heartbeat, one holy song. Carry we higher through night and day. Zion eternal, like the way. Babylon try with chain and wall, but Zion rise above them all. Ancient roots in sacred ground, never lost, forever found. Every chant a holy flame, every tongue exalt your name. From desert sand to ocean shore, Zion song go evermore. Children dance round sacred fire, drum and chant lift spirits higher. Every step a victory won, every voice a rising sun. Lion roar in valley deep, Zion promise Jah will keep. From first breath till final call, Zion love embrace us all. Rise, rise, Zion, keep a rise. Lift your hand and lift your eyes. No chain strong enough to bind, no wall tall enough to blind. Hear the trumpet, hear the drum. Zion kingdom soon come, everlasting, pure and free. Zion live in you and me. Day by day the work go on. Plant the seed till night is gone. Harvest come in time of peace. Love of Jah will never cease. Every elder, every youth, walk the path of holy truth. Step by step and song by song, Zion lead we all along. Zion eternal, forever strong. One love heartbeat, one holy song. Carry we higher through night and day. Zion eternal, like the way. From age to age, Jah kingdom stand. Zion eternal, guide the land forevermore.
I smoke with Zion, yeah man. Oh, oh, me rise before the morning sun. Another battle soon begun. Me feel the wind upon me face. Jah guide me not this place. From the ashes of oppression grow a strength that Babylon nah know. Lion spirit waking at the heart, freedom heart. Me see the people stand again after centuries of pain. The fire inside can't be tamed. No more shackles, no more chains. Me chant for the poor and weak, give voice for them who can't speak. Every drum beat, every cry, echo through the sky. Me try the road them pave with lies. Still me hold me head high. Them system cold like steel and stone, but me now walk alone. Me hear the whisper of the breeze. Rasta youth stand in peace. Truth no fade, love no die. Me lift me eyes to the sky. Hey, fly on the wings of the lion. Strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Yeah, fly on the wings of the lion free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and righteous way. Me see the wicked try divide, but unity can't hide. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, the chant of Rasta louder. Me see the youths them wise and proud, chant redemption loud. Me know Jah time soon come, the battle soon done. Me look on the mountain tall, hear creation call. Every leaf and every tree whisper Jah melody. Me see the river shining clear, wash away my fear. Lion roar through the land, justice in a Jah hand. No chain can bind a righteous man, no force can stop Jah plan. From darkness come the light, Rasta keep it bright. Me chant, me psalm through every storm. Spirit transform, me walk with courage, faith and song for the journey long. Yeah, fly on the wings of the lion, strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight, hold the flame, keep the light. Yeah, fly on the wings of the lion free, power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day, lead we on the righteous way. Fly on the wings of the lion, soaring high. Freedom paint the sky, no chain, no gun, no king can silence Jah within. Me raise my soul upon higher ground, peace and truth surround. Wings of the lion carry me home to Jah eternal throne. Forever free, forever strong, Jah love live long. Na 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 Zion Reggae, na 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 Zion Reggae. Me rise pon the hill and greet the sun. Another day of work begun. Me feel the rhythm in the breeze. Jah whisper through the trees. From the dusk to the dawn, me trot again, with heart so pure and mind so plain. Roots of tomorrow grow from today. Righteousness led the way. My father tell me long ago, plant love wherever you go. So me dig the earth, me plant the seed of unity, not of greed. Them try confuse we with vanity, but truth still set we free. Me chant of psalm for the weary soul, Jah light make we whole. The youth them need a voice of guide, no Babylon like can divide. Me tell them hold on, keep the faith, better they come, no too late. Me see them fighting for them bread, me see the hunger still spread, but me also see them hearts so brave. Jah children rise from grave. Oh, roots of tomorrow grow today. Jah lead we on the way. No matter storm or wind that blow, the righteous seed still grow. Oh, roots of tomorrow stand up strong. We sing redemption song. Every man and woman know truth forever flow. Me see the Babylon lights flash bright, but them can't hide the night. Me know the mission, me know the code. Rasta trot pon Zion road. Me carry wisdom of me king, strength come from deep within. Me hold the fire in my chest, Jah give me rest. Hey, let's beat the Naya bingy drum, chant till the kingdom come. Children dance, woman sing, joy like the bird palm wing. Me see the roots spread far and wide, love are the only guide. No man higher than Jah plan, we all one under sun. Me no worry, me no fear, Jah presence always near. The psalm till the song me sing, freedom in everything, no more hate. Rasta spirit never die. Me plant the peace and water grace. Hope bloom in every place. Oh, roots of tomorrow grow today. Jaja lead way on the way. No matter storm or wind that blow, the righteous seed still grow. Oh, roots of tomorrow stand up strong. We sing redemption song. Every man and woman know truth forever flow. Oh, roots of tomorrow, hear me say, rise like the morning rain. No shadow can block the shine. Your timing always divine. All the faith, my people true. Light of the path for me and you. Me lay me head upon the ground. Hear the heartbeat sound. Roots of tomorrow start today. Rasta show the way. Oh, 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 oh. Listen the drum, the ancient beat. Heart of Jah, can't skip a beat. Me feel it deep within my chest. Jah love manifest. Me close my eyes, me hear the tone. Me never alone. Me see the people turn apart, but love still start. Me sing for the broken one, cause Jah love shine like sun. The system cold and cruel, but my heart still roll. Rasta live for unity, true community. Me walk with the humble man, help when me can. Me share the last bread me own. Me never alone. Every smile me give today, chase pain away. The rhythm call me name, Jah flame. One heartbeat, one soul sound, love keep we bound. No color, no race divide, Jah love inside. One heartbeat, strong and pure, love endure. Together we rise and sing, peace within everything. Me see the wicked plot and plan, but Jah still stand. Me no hate, me no fight, me hold the light. Me teach the youth fi care, fi always share. Rasta no sleep, me watch, love me match. Me chant under the moon bright, feel the light. Me hear me ancestors better days to come. Me lift my voice for truth, me guide the youth. Every heartbeat same, in Jah name we one family, one sound. Jah love profound, me see no difference here, all equal clear. One heartbeat, one soul sound, love keep we bound. No color, no race divide, Jah love inside. One heartbeat, strong and pure, love endure. Together we rise and sing, peace within everything. So when the silence falls, me still hear it call. One heartbeat, true, Jah live in me and you. One heartbeat, one heartbeat, true, Jah live in me and you.
Joy of Zion, fill me heart. From creation, holy start. It lift the spirit, heal the soul. Zion joy make we whole. Zion joy all people seek, forever holy, never cease. Zion joy bring Jah peace. He crown the morning, crown the night. Zion joy, Jah light, forever shining pure and white. Zion joy, holy tide. Me feel it rising morning sun. Zion joy never done. It healed the nation, lift the land. Zion joy by Jah hand, forever glowing strong and true. Zion joy carry you. It break the chain, it end the pain. Zion joy forever reign. It rise eternal, shine so bright. Zion joy, Jah light. No Babylon can hide the flame. Zion joy call Jah name, forever holy, pure and long. Zion joy, Jah song. It bless the people, bless the sea. Zion joy, eternity. When the trumpet sound again, Zion joy still remain, forever holy, never fall. Zion joy for one and all, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion joy show Jah way, eternal shining strong and free. Zion joy destiny. Smile high, smile true. Zion joy for me and you. No chain, no sorrow can tear apart. Zion joy rule me heart. Zion joy, pure and free, echo through eternity. Every smile, a holy flame. Zion joy, exalt his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion joy still carry on.
Aye, 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 Jah. Bless the people, yeah, man. Heart of a lion. No fear, no pride. Me hear the drum of truth start roll, echo through me soul. Me stand against Babylon wall, still me not fall. Them spread fear, them spread lies, but me see through them disguise. Jah give me strength to carry on till the morning sun. Morning sun. Me hear the people call for change, voices strong and strange. Me see the children dance again, wash away the pain. Heartbeat steady like a drum, Jah kingdom come. Lion heartbeat, strong and pure. Love are the only cure. Rise above the noise and fear, Jah always near. Lion heartbeat, never slow. Keep the righteous flow. Every step me take, me see Jah live in me. Me walk through the shadow place, still me see Jah face. No weapon form against me stand, protected by Jah hand. Me hold my faith when night fall, hear Jah call. Me feel the beat within the ground, ancient holy sound. It guide me back to who me be. Spirit set me free. Lion heart no bend no break. Love love away. Courage come from deep inside. Truth can't hide. When the world turn cold and rough, Jah love enough. Lion heart beat strong and pure. Love are the only cure. Rise above the noise and fear. Jah always near. Lion heart beat, never slow. Keep the righteous flow. Every step me take, me see Jah live in me. Lion heart beat till the end. Love me defend. Oh, me soul roar in Zion song. Forever strong.
Na Zion. Reggae, yeah, man. Whoa. Before the daylight come alive, me feel just spirit revive. Me plant me seed in holy ground. Hear the ancient sound. Every root reach far below. Truth begin to grow. Me see the world chase vanity, blind for Jah reality, but the roots know where them stand. Deep inside Jah hand, me feel the pulse under the clay. Tell me everything okay. Nature talk me overstand. Jah control the land. Me see the city light so bright, but none compared to Jah light. Them build the towers tall and wide, but love inside can't hide. Me prefer the humbleness, where earth and soul confess. Roots dig deep and never fade. Rasta made. Roots of the dawn rise again. Break the chain of men. From the soil come strength anew. Jah make all things true. Roots of the dawn so pure, so strong. Teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below. Let Jah power flow. Me feel the sunrise on me face. Jah love fill the place. Every color in the sky. Whisper Jah reply. Me chant up song for healing sound. Bless the holy ground. Roots connect the past to now. Show me how. Them try to cut the roots away, but Jah earth now decay. Me see the vine grow back again. Wash away the pain. Roots of faith and love remain. Bless the sun and rain. Me stand tall in a Zion song, where I belong. Deep roots hold true storm and fire. Carry me higher. When the wind blow, me stay strong. Roots keep me long. From generation to generation. Same foundation. Roots of the dawn rise again. Break the chain of men. From the soil come strength anew.
so strong. Teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below. Let Jah power flow. When the night come creep again, me call your name. Oh, roots of the dawn forever grow. Me so know. Oh,
Wanna down, 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 down. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Rasta man is so high, man. Yeah. Rasta man is so high, man. Me sit beside the flowing stream. Just show me vision in a dream. Water whisper ancient song. Me spirit strong. Every drop a healing prayer. Love fill the air. Me close me eye. Me soul align. Flow in Zion time. Me walk long road of faith and fight. Search for truth, find light. Them tell me hope done gone, but me still hold on. Me see the tears from people's face. Them searching grace, yet the river wash them pain. Life again. Me see the children play by shore. Laugh forevermore. Them no know the chains before. Them born for soar. The river carry story deep. Secrets Jah keep. Every ripple chant his name. Eternal flame. River of Zion flow through me soul. Make me heart whole. Carry me spirit to the light. Wash away night. River of Zion, gentle and strong. Right all wrong. Flow through the land of man. Part of Jah plan. Me dip me hand in sacred stream. Feel Jah redeem. Water cold but fire burn. Truth return. Me see reflection, see me pass. Faith at last. Jah mercy deep like ocean wide. Love inside. Me follow river through the plain. Through joy and pain. It led me home to holy place. Full of grace. The fish them swim, the birds them sing. Creation king. All life flow one way same. Jah name. Me no fear, no drought, no storm. River keep me warm. From the mountain to the sea. Jah carry me. When me weak, me call this song. It make me strong. River of Zion flow through me soul. Make me heart whole. Carry me spirit to the light. Wash away night. River of Zion, gentle and strong. Right all wrong. Flow through the land of man. Part of Jah plan. River flow, don't ever end me, eternal friend. Jah truth like water clear, always near. Me rise, me bow, me give Jah praise for the endless days. River of Zion run forevermore, me heart secure. River of Zion. River of Zion.